I'm independent, got my own. And I can run the cash up if I want to. Run it up, body cold, frosty. And I'm so bossy, and I'm so saucy. And my clothes cost hood and I'm bougie. Gucci on my booty.
Baby, tell me why I gotta try so hard. You got me craving your attention. Baby, I can't lie, not a day go by. I hope I see my name up in your mention.
Hey you guys, it's Jerika. Welcome to my channel. So I am doing wig reviews, okay? I am back to doing wig reviews. A lot of people said that they wanted me to do more makeup videos and they wanted me to do more wig reviews, which is right aligned with what was happening anyway. So first I want to say thank you to SAMSBEAUTY for sending me these wigs. I'm going to be doing a few wigs that they sent me, and I'm so excited because every time I do a wig review on my channel, I always buy the wigs from SAMSBEAUTY. It's the only place I get my wigs. Sometimes I'll get something from Glamour Tress or whatever, but I'm so glad that SAMSBEAUTY finally hit me up because I have been waiting for the longest time to be hit up by them. I wrote it down in my manifestation journal. It happened. So thank you guys if you're watching this video, which I know you are. So you guys, the first wig that I'm going to be reviewing is a blonde wig. And I'm so excited about this because I've never worn a blonde wig before. I always said I kind of wanted to dibble dab into a blonde wig. So I'm really excited about that. So this is the wig that I'm going to be reviewing today. It is the Harlem, hope you guys can see it. It is the Harlem 125 wig. Well, Harlem 125 is the name of the company, and the wig is FLS 11. And I got it in the color SGD 4276A. It's a really long color, but it's a really pretty blonde color that the model is wearing here. I'm trying to keep it turned to the side so you guys can actually see, because I know there's a glare because of the lights. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I style it and things like that. So if you would like to see more information on this wig, then keep watching. Alright you guys, this is the hair after I've done manipulating it. As you can see, I added the background because I felt like with the blonde hair and my white / beige wall, you couldn't really see like the full effect of the wig. So I went ahead and I cut a few little baby hairs, even though they're kind of irrelevant right now. And I'm just gonna like tuck that on under. But I did add some powder to make it look more natural, added some baby hairs. As you guys saw, that I did flatten it with some mousse and a curling wand because that's the way to get synthetic wigs to be flat, because as you can see when the hair came out of this pack, it was just kind of going straight back or all over the place. So you can wear it like that if you want to, but I kind of wanted mine to be a little bit more defined. You could also part this on the side if you wanted to. I just parted mine down the middle, cut some baby hairs, kind of laid them down a little bit. I didn't really like I didn't want to do too much because I want you guys to see how the wig looks. But this is how it looks. So this is about where it ends. So this is about like right, it's under my boob, so it ends right here, which I think is a pretty good length. I don't really like anything to be longer than this in synthetic wigs. Honestly, even wigs this length, they tangle extremely bad and there's nothing you can do about it. But when you comb it out, like, it's really pretty waves. It really looks like it could be like some virgin wavy hair. And I like that. It's a really silky texture. I am getting some shedding from when I cut the lace, but now that I got that hair out, I'm still getting a little shedding, but it ain't nothing like when you first comb through a wig after you cut the lace, when tons of hair be coming out. So this is what it looks like, all pulled to the front. Hope you guys can see it. So I actually really like the color. Like, I was kind of concerned about how the blonde was going to look, but I'm glad that I did it now because I think it looks extremely bomb. Like I said, I love the texture of this hair. I love that it's wavy. But again, with it being synthetic, it's going to shed, and it's also going to start tangling and getting matted in the neck. In the neck area is the first place that starts to happen, especially in the summer, because you sweat in your neck. There's just absolutely nothing you can do about that, so you just got to deal with it. But this is how I'm wearing it right now. So again, I have it parted down the middle. It's a 4x4 parting space, so you can part it either on the side, on this side, or right here in the middle where I have mine. Also, you can heat it up to 400 degrees. It's 400 degrees heat safe. When you see me using my curling wand to flatten it, it was on 390, and I don't have any, I'm not experiencing any of the melted plastic smell or the melted hairs that you guys get, you know, if you wear wigs, when you put heat on synthetic wigs, that it be smelling all plasticky and stuff, and it be melting in the middle, like literally in front of your eyes, it just start melting. So we all know what that is like, but I did not have that experience. So it is definitely heat safe. I don't know about curling it. I like the wave pattern the way that it is, so I don't see a need to curl it. I will leave a link down below as to where you can purchase this hair. Again, I got the hair from SAMSBEAUTY. SAMSBEAUTY sent me this wig, so thank you again, SAMSBEAUTY, for trusting in me to review wigs for your company. I have been buying wigs from you guys for years, so it feels really good to build a working relationship with you guys because I order my wigs all the time. I'm going to continue to order my wigs from SAMSBEAUTY. So I will leave a link down below as to how much the wig is, and I will put the price in the video to the price of the wig because I don't remember what it was. I think it was like $34.99. It was under $40. I do know that much. It was under $40, and I feel like this is a super bomb slay for under $40, okay? Because I'm all about affordable wigs. All I wear is affordable wigs. People always ask me what wigs I'm wearing, where do I buy my wigs. I always refer people to SAMSBEAUTY. Got my sister ordering hair from SAMSBEAUTY now, so that's just where I get my wigs, and that's just the most reliable site in my opinion. So yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat to keep up with me in my daily life. And I appreciate you for getting me to 19,000 subscribers. I'm so excited. We are on the road to 100K subscribers, okay? Road to 100K. We're gonna get there. I don't know when we're gonna get there, but we're gonna get there together as a team, as a family. So if you guys like these wig reviews, let me know. I will keep doing them. I'll keep doing more makeup looks. Just let me know. Vlogs, let me know what you guys want to see, okay? Because that's how we are a team. That's how we build something here that's worth building. When you talk to me, when you let me know. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and have a good day.